हाय वेलकम टू आरोग्या फिजियोटिप्स। आपका आरोग्या फिजियोटिप्स में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, वीडियोस को शेयर करें जिससे दूसरों को भी हेल्प हो। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड शेयर आवर वीडियोस विद फ्रेंड्स एंड family to witness our fitness with us. Okay, so today we are going to talk about very important topic, and that is coccydynia. Okay, now what is coccydynia? Coccydynia is tailbone pain. Many people suffer from tailbone pain. Tailbone is basically a triangular structure, and so that area is basically a triangular structure with a pokey bone at the end, and that's called coccyx. Okay, it generally pokes down, and many people suffer from lot of pain while sitting or while sleeping. Okay, the pain gets better when you actually walk around. So today we will be talking about coccydynia. Now, why the pain comes? Pain can comes due to injury, a fracture, or any fall which can cause. Pregnancy, generally it comes in third trimester because there is relaxin hormone which is released, which actually relaxes lot the ligament and muscles around the coccyx, and which causes that pain. Okay, the next reason why coccyx, long sitting hours, working from home, coccyx pain can come. Then apart from that, yes, there are cases where there is cancer and which has caused tailbone pain. So these are the few reasons. Bad posture is very important. So it's very important to correct your posture to get rid of this pain. Okay, so let's talk about what to do when you have a coccyx bone pain, that is tailbone pain. So here, can you see? This triangular bone which you can see is basically coccyx. So this actually pokes, and that's why we get coccyx pain. Okay, the pain can be mild to very severe pain also. Sometimes patient is not able to sit at one place. Okay, so in that case we should do certain things. One very important is posture correction. So never sit the way I am sitting. So what you have to do is you have to take your buttocks all the way back, and your foot has to be rested in ground. So if your foot is not resting, then it is a problem. So you make sure your foot is resting completely. Okay, it should not be dangling down, it should be resting completely, and your buttocks is all the way back. Also, when you are sitting or getting up, try to lean forward first, so that pain while getting up is very bad. Okay, so try to lean forward and then get up. Okay, slowly. Similarly, when you sit down, try to lean forward and then sit. Okay, that makes a difference. So leaning forward while sitting or while getting up help, and sitting right at the back with foot supported. So basically in this, what we do is we stretch piriformis muscle, we stretch iliopsoas muscle, which is basically the hip flexor, and ergonomic adjustment is very important because they take that load from coccyx. So ergonomically you have to be very good when you are working or when you are sitting. There are donut shaped pillow which comes, or the rubber tube you can use for sitting. Okay, if you don't have that, you can actually use the towel. So we will show you how to use the towel. So basically we will fold the towel, and we will sit on it by taking the buttocks back. Okay, so your buttocks is not touching the chair, and it is completely relieved of pressure. So if you do not have that donut shaped pillow, you can use this. We will anyways link the pillow in the description box. You can check the links there. So basically it is very important to relax the pelvic floor muscles if you have coccyx pain. So first is just breathe in, breathe out. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, and don't squeeze anything. So don't do any kegels or anything like that. Just relax the muscle around it. Once the pain becomes slightly less, you can start doing some pelvic movement. Okay, now pelvic movement, how we will do? We will basically press against the mat and we will bring it up. So basically press against the mat and slightly bring it up. Press against the mat and bring it up. So that's about it. We can do pelvis movement in this only. It is similar to how we do bird and dog, but without the neck motion. So just squeezing it in and relax. Squeezing it in and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Similarly, we can do the lateral rotation of pelvis. So look at the pelvis on either side and just laterally rotating it. And relax. Bird and dog, these exercises basically has to be done once the pain is better. So breathe in, reach out, breathe out, breathe. Breathe in, reach out, breathe out, bring in. 10 repetition on each side would be good. Next very good stretch for coccyx pain is child pose. So you basically come like this, stretch this area and go front as much as possible. So next very good pose for coccyx pain is dhanurasana or bow pose. So basically you hold the ankle, both the ankle, and try to go as much up as possible. So next exercise is single leg tuck towards your chest and try to relieve the pressure here. Okay, so keep breathing in and out, in and out, in and out, and hold this pose for some time. Okay, don't tense your pelvic floor muscles, so ease out, ease out. Okay, similarly you can hold the other leg as well. Okay, once you're comfortable here, you can progress to holding both the legs together and holding it there. Okay, just towards you and trying to relieve the pressure from the coccyx area. Once you're comfortable here, you will hold it here and hold it like taking the hips slightly out. Once you're comfortable here, you progress to happy baby pose where you bring the leg out and above and hold it here. So basically you will be repeating this 5-6 times but holding it for 30 seconds to a minute time and trying to be in that pose and without tensing your pelvic floor muscles. So don't tighten your pelvic floor muscles. You need to breathe in and out and relax completely. So next is figure of 4 stretch. So take the leg towards the other knee and try to bend it as much as possible, okay, towards yourself. Okay, now this has been completely explained in the sciatica video. We have exercises for sciatica. All those exercises will also help in coccyx pain. So as I said, psoas, iliopsoas muscle, if we stretch them also, it's good. So take one leg front, okay, tuck your pelvis in, tuck your pelvis, tuck it, and it will stretch the hip flexor. We already have hip flexor video. We'll link it in the description box. You can do those exercises. So basically tucking it in. Similarly, same position, you can try to move your pelvis from side to side. Okay, so it's very important that you tuck your pelvis. Okay, so don't lose the pelvis. It will stretch the hip flexor of the leg, which is basically down kneeling. Okay, so hold it there and you can basically increase the pelvic motion also. So that also helps in coccyx pain. We will anyways link the hip flexor stretch video in the description box. Please go through it. So if you do these exercises, apply cold pack or hot pack. I actually prefer cold pack, but there are some people who prefer hot pack. Whatever suits you. If you apply that for 2 to 3 times in a day, 10 minutes, do some massages. So you can do needling. Okay, so matlab around the coccyx, just to relax the muscle, you can actually knead around it, don't do it on coccyx. Okay, around it, just to relax the muscle. Okay, so that, and apart from that, once pain slightly come down, start doing the exercises. When you are sitting, try not to sit directly. I said lean forward and sit. You can even tighten your buttock muscles little bit and then sit and loosen it up so that the bone is not completely resting on the chair and it pokes. Okay. Also if the pain is too much, I would suggest you to start using that donut pillow or towel so that it's again not touching the surface. And tell us that how your pain improved by doing these exercises and following these measures. It's really encouraging for us to hear that. Also share our videos with friends and family to witness your fitness with us, and subscribe to our channel. That's most important. We are doing so much of effort to bring these videos to you. So the only thing you can do is, the least you can do is subscribe to our channel. So please subscribe to our channel. हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और मस्त रहिए, तंदुरुस्त रहिए.